So hey guys, it's Kiro. Welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, click that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. So today, I'll be doing a slime review video. It's all of my ones that I made, not all of them, but it's gonna be the oldest, and this is my brother. It's gonna be my oldest to my youngest ones. And yeah, so let's get started. So my oldest one is this slime. You want to show them? So there's this orange one. He'll get half and you'll get, and I'll get half.
Ew.
Can you give that to me?
Ew.
So this is it. I mean, it's okay.
Ooh la la.
It's not the best. Okay, you can stop.
Who's this?
And like it's not that stretchy. You can stop. It's not that stretchy. So, I mean, it's okay. Okay, let's do the poke and test. Doesn't make that much bubble noises. Like, look here. Wait a minute. Look, right here. Listen. Look, listen. Like, it's not that good either.
Where do you make that?
I didn't make this one.
Who gave it to you?
For me for my birthday. So yeah, I think I'm gonna give this one 6 out of 10 slime swirls. I mean, accent. Next oldest is this blue one. Okay, be quiet. I mean, it's okay, but like it's not that stretchy.
Wow.
My brother rather like this
Healthy in my
one. Be
room.
quiet. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of stretchy. It's okay. Oh, sorry. It has no case. So, I'm gonna give this one a 4 out of 10 slime swirls. I'm sorry about today. I have to keep on going back and forth and back and forth. Oh, and by the way, that thing, the poster up there, I don't use it. Okay, Ethan, stop. Go away, Ethan. Next oldest is Ethan. Move. This one. I hate this one. I already know what this is like, and look how terrible. Ethan, stop.
I want to feel it.
Like, what is this? Look how bad this is. Like, you want to hear slime pokes. You can't even stretch it. You can stretch. Look. Look how stretchy this is.
Sticky?
Sorry guys, I just need to set up my camera. There we go. Okay, I'm back. Like, look how stretchy this is. Definitely a 2 out of 10 slime swirls. I like the color. I'm not how far it's gonna get. Okay, Ethan, go away from my camera. Sorry guys, it's just my brother. You know. Next one, okay. Next one is this one. I didn't actually make this one. If you've watched my other videos, you know this one from my previous ones. It's the purple one again. It's actually really good. Wait, listen. Sorry, you can't hear me. Can't see me. Set you guys up. it, and it's so stretchy. Totally 9 out of 10 slime swirls. My only doubt about this is that all these beads won't stop falling out. So it's gonna get far enough. Next one is the last one. It's okay. It's my brother's slime. He made it, so it's really good. See? Comment down below if you like this or not. I mean, it's not my favorite slime. It used to be really, really, really good. Let's hear the poking test. I give it a 6 out of 10 slime swirls. You have 4 more to get a 10. Some of them only have 2. There's nothing on it. So, I'm just gonna put this back in my bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry about this again. I need to start making some special effects.
Oh my god, I glow. Kira.
Okay, just gonna put that back there. Okay. Half of this time is putting
Things in it.
After I'm done, I'm going to show you one of my brother's things. He really wants me to show it in the video. No idea why.
And another thing.
My last one is, later, okay, is this. It's my unicorn poop slime. Here, sorry. Want to see it? Look at
Wait,
this.
to see this, you're gonna have to put that down, Kate.
No, you're going to film me use it, okay? I'm going to film you use it, okay? Look. So it's really pretty. It's clear. It has glitter. So it'll focus. So you can see. It's really good at that. Oh, don't make it. Stop. See, look. That's the clicking. It's really. My only doubt about this one is that, like, it's kind of droopy. Oh, I like it. A 9 out of 10. A 10 out of 10. Okay, now guys, it's gonna be the best thing that you guys are gonna see. So I want to show them this one, okay? So the first one is this poop thing. They're both poop things. They're really weird. This is this poop squishy thing. The next one is, look. The minute, I'm showing them. That you're gonna do it. Is this poop remote control thing, or if you press this poop button. Okay, so I'll take you guys, and you guys are gonna watch my brother use these. Okay, come on.
No, let's go in the bathroom.
Yeah. Let's go to the bathroom really quick. Okay, so watch. He's gonna place the poop down. Now watch the poop. He moves around. Okay, just make it go around, okay? Here, and I'll show you my skills. You're just gonna have to put on the poop, okay? Make it show on the poop. So that was cool. Another cool thing is, look, do the fart noise. Look at it. Look, so if he does this thing, he's gonna, and he press, look, so we're gonna remove this, and he's gonna do the fart sound at the same time. Go, like make it go around and make it fart at the same time. Yeah, so that's really cool. You can actually just get those. I don't remember where. But here, we're just gonna see, and we'll just show you a bunch of things. I'll just let you see some things, like, so my brother's just gonna drive it around. Go. So
Wait.
that was the end of our video.